So welcome back, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to add stickers to photos on the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. So begin by opening the gallery, and then from here you want to select the photo you want to add a sticker to. So say for example we choose this one. So once you've chosen your photo, you want to tap on the editing icon to enter the editing menu. From here, you want to tap on this icon at the bottom of your screen, which is in the form of an emoji. Then you want to select stickers. So you have different categories you can choose from for stickers. You have the ones where you've created a sticker already on your phone. So for example, I created this chest sticker. And then I also have these other categories to choose from. So I have this one that allows me to add the date and time, the logo of the phone, location icons, and all sorts of options. I also have this one which allows me to add emojis, reaction stickers. So you have loads of options for you to choose from. So say for example you want to add an emoji sticker. You'll tap on the emoji so that it's added, and then you can use these handles that are surrounding the sticker to increase or decrease the size according to your liking. And then you can come back, tap on stickers again, and choose a different sticker that you want to add onto your phone. So I can come, select this sticker here, and then I can increase its size and then stick it right there. So it's up to you to decide which stickers you want to use and which one suits your preferences. Then once you're finished with the customizations, you want to tap on save, and you can choose to save over the original, or you can tap on the three dots and then choose to save as a copy. And then once you've done that, you should see your image has the stickers that you've just added. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.